Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to crop a vertical video in CapCut. And the aspect ratio can help you optimize your video for different platforms, for example Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, or maybe YouTube. So let's get started. Open up the CapCut app. The first step is to import your video into CapCut. You can either record a new video using your phone camera or import an existing one from your gallery. To import a video, just tap on this plus icon. And from here, select any video that you want to add. I'll choose this video. Now click on Add. The next step is to tap on the clip on the timeline. And now slide down from here to tap on this Edit. And now from here, just tap on Crop. And now by selecting this feature, you can use all of these different crop presets. You can use the 9:16. You can use this one for the short reels, YouTube Shorts, or TikTok. You can use the 16:9. You can choose this one to add your video to your YouTube, or you can use this 1:1. You can use this one for the Instagram. Now to see the effect of the aspect ratio change, tap on the play button. You will see the change from here. Now if I undo this, the video was like this, and once I change the aspect ratio, it is like this. Now depending on the aspect ratio you choose, your video may need to be cropped to fit the new dimensions. You can adjust the crop by dragging the edges to the video in the preview. Make sure to keep the important elements in the frame and avoid cutting off the important parts of the video. You can change the slider so you can see the dog is in the frame of the cropped video. Just tap on the stick icon and you are good to go. Now I'm going to play the video. You see we have changed the dimension of the video, and once you are happy with your video and the aspect ratio change you have made, it's time to export it and share it. Here select the resolution of the video and then tap on this export icon. And once it is exported, you can easily share this directly from CapCut to any social media platform, for example Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. As this is a squared one, so we can upload it on Instagram just from here. And that's it. I hope this video tutorial helped you to change the aspect ratio of your CapCut video. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.